Have you ever wondered what makes a project successful? A project manager plays a crucial role in that success. They are not just planners, they are leaders. Leadership is about guiding a team toward a common vision. A project manager's ability to lead determines the project's outcome. They facilitate, coordinate, and motivate their team every day. Let's explore the key aspects of effective leadership in project management. First, a project manager communicates the project's objectives clearly. This ensures that everyone understands their role and contribution. When team members know the goals, they can work effectively. Next, they must engage and motivate the team continuously. Motivated teams are more productive and innovative. The project manager inspires the team to stay focused on goals. Now, let's consider the importance of facilitation. The project manager helps identify obstacles and removes them. They create an environment where team members feel safe to share ideas. This open communication fosters collaboration and teamwork. As a coordinator, a project manager ensures all parts move in sync. Regular check-ins keep everyone aligned and informed. This alignment is essential for continuing progress toward the objective. Sometimes, teams lose sight of their goals during projects. This is where strong leadership truly shines. The project manager must refocus the team on the vision. Encouragement and support keep spirits high during challenges. Here's an example for clarity. Imagine a team building a community park. The project manager outlines the vision, a safe, beautiful space. When challenges arise, like budget cuts, motivation may wane. A strong leader reassures the team and adapts plans. They remind everyone of the park's importance to the community. With renewed focus, the team finds creative solutions. Leadership keeps the project on track to completion. In summary, a project manager's leadership is vital. They clarify objectives, motivate teams, and ensure alignment. Effective leadership directly influences project success. So remember, leading is not just about directing. It's about inspiring and facilitating through teamwork. Now, think about your own leadership skills. How can you become a better project manager? Start by focusing on your team and their goals. Commit to clear communication and ongoing motivation. Want to learn more about effective project management? Subscribe for tips and resources to enhance your skills.